Hello, good morning students. Now today we'll learn our next exercise, that is exercise number F. Circle the adjectives that can be used to describe the nouns given in capital letters. You can circle more than one. See, now here nouns are given: poem, forest, dolphin, friend, grapes and ocean, and these all are adjectives. Okay, and we have to circle the correct adjectives that can be used for that given nouns. If it is suitable, then we have to circle. Okay, see, look at here. In the first, for poem, which adjectives is we can use, or it is correct? Short, yes, poem can be short and long. Okay, but poem cannot be fat or thin. Poem can be funny, but okay, but it cannot be brown, red or green. Poem means poem. It can be funny, it can be short. Okay, forest, it should be thick, but forest should not be slow. It is green, yes, forest is always green. Okay, wooden, no. Dolphin, dolphin is cute, yes, it should be cute. Deep, no. High, we can use high adjectives for dolphin, no. It should be big, small. Okay, but we can't use that word, this word, high. Friendly, yes, dolphin is always friendly. Friend, friend is hard, no. Wood is hard, some metals are hard, but friend is not hard. Friend is help. Friend should be helpful. He should be or she should be clever, good. Okay, we can use this adjectives for friends. Okay, quick, grabs. Sorry, now next noun is grabs. Isn't the grapes are quick? No. Green? Yes. Grapes should be sweet? Yes. Empty? No. Glass? Glass can be, or glass or bowl should be empty, but grapes? No. We can't use this adjectives for grapes. Can we use? Next, ocean. Blue. Yes, ocean. For ocean we can use this adjectives. Blue. Tall? No. Why not tall? Just think, because ocean is wide. Okay, it can't tall. Deep, yes, ocean should be deep. Okay, sour, just think and give me answer. Okay, at last, can we use sour words, adjectives for the ocean? Okay, this answer you have to give me in the Google Classroom. Why I am asking you question? I want to know you are watching video carefully or not. Okay, so now in every video I will give one question. You have to give me answer at last or after in Google Classroom. Okay, after completing the video I will put it in Google Classroom. That time write nouns from the pictures under the correct heading. Then write adjectives from the box to describe them. Now what you have to do? You have to write the pictures from the pictures. See, look at here. They have given us one nice picture. Just we have to observe it. Okay, and then we have to write here nouns. Okay, adjectives are given here. Okay, but we have to find which is the suitable nouns for that adjectives. Okay, see, they have given red. So now what is the red? Dress. Okay, rainbow, colorful. It's the bright. They have given the bright, but what is the bright? Sun. 3. Now just find eggs are 3. Okay. Happy. Who is happy? So girl looks very happy. Big. What is the big in this picture? Just look at. Tree is big. Colorful. What is the colorful? Rainbow is colorful. Now H. Fill in the blanks with words that are similar in meanings to the underlined adjectives. Choose from the box. See, they have given some words or options here. Okay. We have to just carefully read these sentences and then write the answer which are similar. So what we have to write here? Similar meanings. What? Similar meanings.